feeling myself. I'm 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 feeling myself.
What's up, guys? It's your girl 24K Gold, and welcome back to part 2 of the room transformation video. So this video is going to be completely different from the first video. The first video was just showing you how we painted everything, how we moved the furniture out and moved it back in, etc, etc. But this video is mostly going to be about the decorating side of the room and how we did that on a small budget. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Before we get started, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. Well, I don't know if this is secret or not. I personally didn't know that you can do this, but I'm going to show you guys how you can get your room decor while balling on a budget. So here we go. So if you guys have any like extra coins laying around your house or anything, or you've been saving up coins, I had a piggy bank full of coins and I had random coins laying around the house. You can take it to your local grocery market. I took it to Rayleigh's, and you can go to a Coinstar machine and cash those coins in for either real money or a gift certificate. So I got a gift card for Amazon, which is where all of my products in this room are from. Like literally everything that you see here in the background of this video, I got it for Amazon on cheap. So after I cashed in all of my coins and things like that, I had a total of around $180 to spend on room decor for this room. So that's how you guys can get stuff without really like breaking your bank account, since it's literally just coins laying around the house or coins that you saved up from when you went to like Subway or whatever. Just trying to help y'all out. This is how you get stuff when you low-key kind of broke. So yeah. So now that you know how to get some room decor things from coins laying around your house, I'm going to show you what I actually got, which all turned out to be around $180, like I said, which was within the Amazon gift card. So yes. So the first thing that I got and I was really excited for was this black skinny bookshelf. The reason why I got a skinny bookshelf is because my room is small and I wanted to put more things in my room without my room looking like it's overbearing or like it's junky. So the skinny bookshelf was the perfect thing. I could put all my little tchotchkes and knickknacks and things on there without the room looking so crowded. So this black bookshelf turned out to be on Amazon. It was around $50, which was already almost half of the budget, but it was something that I really wanted and really needed. Emphasis on needed. So I decided to go for it anyway. The next thing that I got was this hanging planter. It was quite small, but again, my room is small, so I didn't want everything looking so crowded and overbearing. And it was ceramic with some stripes on it. It's kind of brownish color with a white cord. I know it's not technically called a cord, but it's like a band, a string. I'm just gonna go with cord. But it was a brown small planter pot with a white cord and a little loop at the top of the white cord so you can hang it to your ceiling. And so that turned out to be $15, which isn't that bad. Well, technically I would have liked to get 2 for $15, but you know, it's okay. I can have other plants in my room that don't necessarily have to hang from the ceiling. So yeah. And then of course with the hanging plant I had to get some artificial fake plant garland things. I can't keep a plant alive for my life. Maybe a succulent, because you know those don't take a lot of water or energy or anything like that, but I would rather have some fake plants in this room, especially since I'm going to be away for college. But that turned out to be around $9, which isn't that bad. It was a lot of plants for $9, so yeah. So the next thing I got was some gold T-bar handles for my dresser. My dresser originally had white circle handlebars that you can pull it out with, but I thought that was just kind of bland and I wanted to jazzy up my room a little bit, and that turned out to be $12 on Amazon. Also guys, everything that I'm mentioning here will be linked in the description box below, so you can see exactly what I bought and maybe you can get it for yourself too. And so with those hanging plants, obviously you're gonna need some hooks to actually hang the plants with. So I got a set of, I think it was about like 12 white hanging hooks, and that turned out to be around $8. Another thing I got was this white and black curtain for my window, as you can see here. Well, maybe not, well, you can kind of see it, but yeah, I just wanted a subtle curtain, nothing too heavy, nothing too overbearing. The thing that I kind of wanted to make this room was kind of like light and airy, like my sanctuary, my oasis, something that I could feel like, something I feel like I can breathe in. Because before this, I had an orange wall, as you guys know, and I had a whole bunch of posters plastered around these walls, even on the ceiling, on the side. Every single wall had a poster on it, and I started to feel a bit smothered, and especially since my bed was turned the other way, covering my window, making me not have a lot of space to walk in. So yeah, I got these curtains. They're really cute. They're black and white and geometric, and those turned out to be $25. Last but not least, I got this rose gold wall grid that I can hang all of my pictures and just give a little flair to the room in general. It's really cute. You guys can see it back there. I have my old pictures on there, pictures of me and my best friends, pictures of just everyone who I care about in my life, and I really love it, and especially putting it right next to my bed. It just makes me feel warm and loved. And that turned out to be $25 as well. So the gift card specifically had $176.91, but with shipping and handling and stuff, the price of all of these items turned out to be a little bit more than that. Ooh, in real money, like money out of my bank account, I only ended up paying $21.52. That's pretty tight in my opinion. Only paying $20 out of your real money for all of this, like, that's a steal. So y'all need to hop on this little coin thing, look around your house, look in between them couches, look under the beds and all that, scavenge for them coins, y'all, cause $21 for everything that I have in this room right now, it's pretty good. Now it's time to start assembling everything and getting the room together. So the first thing that we decided to do was put together that skinny bookshelf, which took quite some time actually, because we were a little confused. I don't think we had the right tools. We had to search the house for the proper like screwdriver or something like that, but it ended up looking really, really pretty at the end, and it fit my room perfectly, you guys. And I was able to put all my little knickknacks and stuff, my Polaroids, this globe and everything in there. And I'm just blessed to have this shelf, you guys. I don't know why this shelf makes me so happy, but it does. After that, we decided to replace the knobs on my dresser. As you guys saw earlier, I got those gold T-knobs. So I took off all the old knobs that were on the dresser, replaced it with the T-knobs, and they look pretty cute. It gives the dresser just a little bit of flair, you know what I'm saying? So I really like it. Put some shine into the room, and yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
After that, we decided to put the rose gold grid up, as you guys saw earlier. That didn't take too much time because it came with all the parts that it needed to. We just had to screw it into the wall, place it up there, and boom, you're done.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
The last thing that we did was hang up these lights, as you guys see in the back. All we did was we took one of the clear tiny command hooks that you can get at like the dollar store or Target or whatever, and we took those. We spaced them out evenly on the wall, the ceiling pretty much, and we just hung the string lights there. Not after untangling them for like a good 20 minutes. That stuff was hard to untangle, you guys. Like, I was struggling, but we did it. Everything looks great, and I love this room. Yes.
Collide.
much how we decorated the room. I put all my little knickknacks and stuff on the bookshelf, put all my pictures on the grid, hung up my curtains, hung up the lights, and yeah, I didn't do a haul of the things that I got from Ross, so I'm gonna do that right now. So the first thing that I got, this was literally the first thing that I picked up, was this cute little white and pink candle. As you can see, it goes with the room. Smells so pretty. Things don't smell pretty, it smelled fruity. That's what I was saying. The next thing I got was this. It was kind of like a vintage looking globe. I think it's really cool because it looks all vintage and rustic. I mean, not totally, because it still has like the cute little marble at the bottom, but it was really cute, you guys. Like, look at this. The next thing I got was this rose gold clock. Okay guys, this clock did not have a price tag on it in Ross. Nobody knew why it was there. The workers weren't able to look it up in the system, but once they finally did, it wasn't that expensive. So, oh yeah, the candle was around $3. This globe was around $11, and this was also around $11 as well. This clock does not work at all, you guys, okay? Let's get that straight. This clock does not work at all, but I still love it for decoration. That's why I decided to keep it. I don't mind if it ticks or not. Honestly, the ticking of a clock is kind of like annoying to me sometimes, so it's cute. It's cute. So the next thing I got from Ross, you guys, was this pink Himalayan salt lamp. It lights up. It's currently not plugged in right now. By the way, don't get it from Home Depot because it's like over $20 there. But at Ross, this was around like $16. So get your stuff at Ross, okay? You can get a lot of cool stuff at Ross, okay? Like, I got this bedding at Ross. Well, not this blanket. This blanket was a Christmas present. But the black and white pillows also has a black and white comforter that you saw in the last video. I also got that at Ross along with this salt lamp. And another thing that I got at Ross that you guys cannot see, let me see if I can turn this around and show you, is this Determination and Dedication like light up box. This actually lights up. It's not lit right now. Well, Determination and Dedication did not come with that. I wrote that by myself using a what is it called, Expo marker. And I also got this mirror from Ross. Hold on, yes, I also got this mirror, this black one right here, from Ross for about $20. So again, get your stuff from Ross. That's all the things that I got from Ross, all the things that I got from Amazon, and that's pretty much everything that you see in this room here, you guys. So yeah, Mom and I finished setting up the room. It looked really pretty, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed transforming my room into something that's more me. I'm really in love with my room right now, and I hope that you guys love it too. So, just as a reminder, everything that I got from Amazon will be linked in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my room transformation as much as I enjoyed doing the room transformation. And if there's any questions about where I got things, or if I missed anything, or if you see anything back here that you have questions about, let me know. I'll answer them in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be the vlog from Truckee, so look out for that. And yeah, bye guys, peace. Sheesh.
24 karat, 24 karat, 24 karat. Get it in it when we had to get it, when we had to rip it.